Yoga for height increase, top 15 asanas to help you grow. Do you believe when we say that yoga to increase height is quite possible? A good height always has an added advantage to one's personality. Being taller always makes you look attractive. If you are already in your 20s and do not have that height you desire and wondering how to increase height, then we have some tips for you. Yoga, as we all know, helps in healing the body internally. This greatly regulates the metabolism of the body and cures any hormonal imbalance. It also activates the growth hormones, and thus, one can increase height even in their early 20s. Besides the stretching exercises, it corrects the postures of the body and also improves flexibility, which, apart from making you taller, works on making you healthy. Here we are telling you how to increase height by yoga. Before going into the video, we've just printed more copies of what is probably the best plant medicine book ever written, The Lost Book of Herbal Remedies. You'll find 800 plus beneficial plants and remedies in The Lost Book of Herbal Remedies, how-to recipes of tinctures, teas, decoctions, essential oils, syrups, salves, poultices, infusions, and many other natural remedies that our grandparents used for centuries. What's also special about this book is that it has between 2 and 4 color pictures for each plant and detailed identification guidelines to make sure you've got the right plant. So get your copy by clicking the first link in our description. Now let's get into today's video. Yoga poses to increase height. Here is a list of the 5 best yoga exercises to increase height. 1. Surya Namaskar. This asana is saluting the sun. It consists of 12 poses that should be done in a cyclical manner. This helps in stretching the muscles and weight gain. This is the most common yoga to increase height fast. Steps to do. Start with your feet on the ground, facing the sun. Do a namaskar with your palms and lift your arms up while inhaling. Bend forward while exhaling and touch the ground, without bending the knees. Raise your head while pushing your left leg forward, followed by the right leg until you lay prostrate on the ground. Exhale, and reverse the cycle step by step. Benefits. The Surya Namaskar strengthens the joints and muscles and increases the blood circulation in the body. It helps the body detox naturally and improves digestion. It stimulates various hormones of the body and thus aids in increasing height. It is a complete exercise from head to toe and hence is a great workout not only for the muscles greatly, but also for the organs. 2. Sukhasana. This yoga for height gain is the center asana in yoga from where all the other yoga poses begin. This helps to gain height and tone your back and hips. Steps to do. To do this asana, start by sitting on the floor in a cross-legged position with the hands on the knees. Now concentrate on inhaling and exhaling with your back erect. Lower your knees to the ground, hold them, exhale, and relax them. Repeat as often as possible. Benefits. It relaxes your brain and thus sends signals of peace and calmness throughout the body. The chest and collarbone are widened. It elongates the spine, which aids in increasing the height. The back becomes stronger. The knees and ankles receive a good stretch by practicing this asana. It is one of the best yoga to increase height after 20. 3. Tadasana. How to increase height yoga? Here is another pose. This yoga asana is known as the mountain pose and is very easy to do. This can be done by anyone and is a recognized yoga for height increase after 25. Steps to do. To do this, start by standing with your feet together and your back erect. Make sure your hands are by your sides, with palms facing inwards. Inhale and raise arms above the head, while standing on toes. Exhale and return to the first position. Benefits. Tadasana helps in improving the posture of the body. The knees, thighs, and ankles become stronger. It is an excellent asana to gain height, especially in the formative years. It makes the spine more agile and thus improves balancing. The several organs of the body, such as the digestive system, respiratory system, nervous system, etc., are regulated. 4. Trikonasana. This is known as the triangle pose. This helps in body balance and gaining height. It is one of the best yoga exercises to increase height after 18. Steps to do. To do this, stand with legs apart and raise your hands in line with your body. Bend to your right and touch the toes while lifting your left hand up straight. Look up and hold this pose. Exhale and return to the first position. Repeat with the other side. Benefits. The physical and mental ability of the person is improved by doing this asana regularly. It also strengthens the abdominal organs and improves the digestive system of the body. It is a great asana to reduce back pain and cure sciatica. Stress and anxiety is reduced in this asana. It strengthens the legs, arms, chest, ankles, and neck. 5. Parivrtta Trikonasana. If you are thinking about how to increase height after 30, here you are. This is known as the reverse triangle pose. This helps in body balance and gaining height. This is one of the best yoga poses to increase height within a short period of time, that too, without having to experience any side effects. It is the best yoga to increase height in a month. Steps to do. To do this asana, first, stand with legs apart totally. Raise your hands in line and in parallel with your body. Bend to your right at first and touch the toes with the left hand, at the same time while lifting your right hand up straight. Look up and hold this pose. Exhale and return to the first position. Repeat with the other side. Benefits. This yoga asana gives a good stretch to the legs and makes them stronger. The hips and spine are also strengthened. It helps cure back pain. It improves blood circulation and breathing. Balance, concentration, and focus are improved. And don't forget to check out the Lost Book of Herbal Remedies book, where you'll find 800 plus beneficial plants and remedies on how to recipes of tinctures, teas, decoctions, essential oils, syrups, salves, poultices, infusions, and many other natural remedies that our grandparents used for centuries. What's also special about this book is that it has between 2 and 4 color pictures for each plant and detailed identification guidelines to make sure you've got the right plant. So get your copy by clicking the first link in our description.